Hey guys, welcome back. Today we gonna make this cinematic fire text effects and this beautiful reflective flow in After Effects. Let's see how to do it. First of all, make a new composition and set time around 10 seconds. Make a new composition again. Drag and drop text file in your composition. You can find texture in my description. Okay, now click on the texture and press S key on your keyboard and reduce the scale around 50. Go to effects and presets and search motion tile and drag it into texture layer. Set output width around 800 and output height around 800 and click on the texture and make it pre-compose. Make sure to move all attributes. Now convert it to 3D. Press the R key on your keyboard and change X rotation around -90. Move it little bit down like this. And again apply motion tile into the pre-compose layer. Now again set output width and height around 500. 500 is enough. And turn on mirror edge. Now go back to main composition. Drag and drop our pre-composition layer into the main composition. Add new text layer. Change size like this. Add new solid layer. Made the blending option to screen. And go back to the effect and preset and find the save and drag it into our new solid layer. Set preset to the energy. Go to customize go and select go type as text layer. And now select your text layer. Now hide your text layer like this. Now set glow intensity around 38%. Now select the both text layer and new solid layer and change the size bit. Now make it both pre-compose. Now right click on the new pre-compose layer and set blending option to screen. Now duplicate it. Shortcut key is Ctrl+D. Convert the below layer to 3D and press R. Change X rotation to 180. And adjust it like this. If you don't want to go reflect wider, then don't scale it. And create new adjustment layer. Set it between the text layers. And go back to the effect and preset and search for a compound blur and drag it into the adjustment layer. Now select the blur layer as your background layer and make sure to hide your background layer. Click on the invert blur and adjust your blur size like this. Okay, now let's animate the text layer. We'll click on the pre-composed text layer. Now click on the save layer or your new solid layer if you don't rename it. Move few frames forward bit. Set the end offset to 0 and add the keyframe. Now go to another few seconds forward and set end offset to 100. Now go back to your background layer and add the new camera. And press the P key on your keyboard and adjust the position and make sure to add keyframes. You can change the maximum blur around 200 to 250. Okay, now it's perfect. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for NextFX Studio. Thanks for watching and see you in another video.